Hi, friends. Welcome to math. Have your pencil, your eraser, and lesson 10.8, which is page 303, 304 out. We're going to start with a problem really quickly just to we've been talking about regrouping again. We went back to that, but now we're regrouping in the hundreds. So I want you to look at this. We don't freak out whenever we see a problem like this, right? First grade, because we know that we don't ever do math going horizontally, we do it vertically. So we know that we can rewrite this problem and stack up the numbers in each room the way they go, right? 200. Sorry, let me erase it. I started with the wrong one. 153 and 281. The line and the addition problem. All right, can we handle this? Of course we can. Let's start with the ones room. 3 plus 1 more is 4. Now, 8 plus 5 more, well, we already know that 8 and 2 makes 10. So this number is going to be way bigger than 10, way bigger than 9, which we know 9 is the biggest number that can be in any one of these rooms. So if it's bigger, what must we do? Regroup. Very good. We've never regrouped from the tens to the hundreds room, right? This is the first time. And guess what? That's what our paper is all about. So let me show you exactly what we're going to do today. Are you ready? All right. 8 plus 5 more. Start counting from 8. Start at the next number. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my number's 13, but do I write 13 in the tens room? No, you never write a double-digit number. The biggest number is 9. So if it's bigger than 9, you're going to separate. You're going to write the number in the ones and carry the other number over. Take it to the top, bro, or take it to the top, sis. Can you handle that? Of course you can. All right, let's count this one. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 434. And that, my friends, is exactly what we're going to be doing today. So let's read the front of our paper. Adding to regroup in the tens. Carly has 6 pencils. Ned has 8 pencils. How many do they have all together? That means you add them. Well, there's 6 up here and 8 down here. They got them and made a 10. So we have 110, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in the ones room. Do you see that? So there's 14. Now we get these 10 that we already circled here and we make them a bundle. They become the little group of 10. They're ones over here and then they become a 10. You see how we did that? It's just like when we were doing it in the ones and the tens room, but now we're moving it over. We're adding one more room. That's all we're doing. We're adding one more room to Daddy Digit's house and we're going to regroup in the tens. All right, let's come on down. Regroup the tens as hundreds. So instead of the ones becoming 10, our tens are going to become hundreds. Mr. Newman has 60 pencils. Miss Jackson has 80 pencils. How many do they have all together? Well, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 30, and 40. All right. But we're going to take out 100 and we're going to move it over to the next room. All right. Because we're talking about 2 tens here, but in the tens room, 8 plus 6 is 14. And you can't have a 14 in the tens room. So you have to knock and send them over. See if there's room in the hundreds room. Is there ever room? Does Daddy Digit ever say no? No, they always are willing to welcome a new digit into a new room, right? There's always room for more. Okay, so let me see. They circled them here, but there's 10. They circled 10. They have 1 10 in the, they circled 10. That equals 100. 10 tens equals 100. Now they put 1 in the hundreds. How many tens are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And is there any ones? Do you see any single pencils here? No. So our answer is 0 in the ones room. So our answer is 140. All right. Okay, let's see how well we get this. We're going to get a chance to practice now. Are you ready? All right, let's count how many we have here. We have 100, 200, We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, we already have more than, so that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 14 tens. Is that too big of a number to be in our tens room? All right, so we're gonna regroup. We have to take out 10 of them and move them because 10 tens equals 100, right? So we gotta get them out of there and take them to the right room. If I count by tens 10 times, ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 tens equals 100. So that gives us a new 100 in that room. So let's count. There's 5 up here and 5 down here. So if I get all of these, those become another 100. Do you see that? That's regrouping. And now we have 4 tens left and we still have 4 ones left. So our ones is 4, our tens is 4, and our hundreds is 1, 2, 3. So what's our new number? 344. Now remember, the reason why we have a 4 here and not 14 is because the biggest number is 9. If it's bigger than 9, you have to leave the number in the tens and then see if we can take out 10 tens to make 100 and send the 100 over to the hundreds room. Are you with me? Okay, good. Let's do it again on this side. We have 3 hundreds. Now, whoa, that's a lot of tens. I can already tell that that's going to be more than 9. Let's see if we can extract 10 tens to send the 100 over to the hundreds room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's a lot of tens. That's more than 9. So we need to get 10 and send them over. All right, that's 10. Now we're going to send it over to the hundreds room. So let's count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, so close. We almost had to regroup, but we didn't. Thank goodness. Now we need to regroup our tens because now these tens are going to become another 100. So how many tens are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tens are left. Now how many hundreds do we have? Now that we had 3 hundreds, and then these tens are going to become another 100. So now we have 468. All right, friends, I hope you're with me still. Okay, let's move on to the back. Here we go. Are you ready? Okay, let's start in the ones room. We always start here in the ones. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 7, well, that's a double plus 1. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. But whoa, I can't write 13 here, so I need to take it to the top, bro. So my 1 goes in the little box in the next room, which is the hundreds, because that's too many tens. We can take out 10 tens and make it 100 to move it over. All right, 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. You should gotten 536. Thumbs up if you got 536. Awesome. Very good. I'm proud of you. All right, let's move over to number 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 9 plus 2 more. Uh-oh, there's a problem. We need to regroup. The answer is 11, but I can't write 11 in the tens. So I have to take it to the top. 6 plus 1 plus 1. 6, 7, 8. 816. Nice. All right, let's move over to number 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 4 more. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Oh, take it to the top, sis. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. 431. Did you get that? Good. All right, next. 2 plus 4, we know that's 6. Oh, here's a double. 8 plus 8 is 16. Uh-oh. There's a problem. 16 is too big to be in that room. Let's take out 10 tens and send it over. We're going to take that 100 out and send it to the hundreds room. As we know that 10 tens equals 100. Now, 5 plus 2 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 866. All right, that was really good practice. Now we're going to get a chance to practice some more. Okay, here we go. 5 plus 1 is 6. 8 plus 7, that's a double plus 1. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 more. 15, carry the 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more that we added to the top is 5. 556. Let's keep going down to the next one. 8 plus 6 more, 14. Uh-oh, what do they want us to do now? 14 is too big to be in that room. Yep, take it to the top. 5 plus 1 more is 6, plus 2, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 2, 6. Good job. You guys are great at this. All right, number 9. 6 plus 1 more is 7. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 1, 8. Hey, we didn't have to regroup at all there. That was easy peasy. Let's keep going. Number 10. 6 plus 1 is 7. 5 plus 5, we know that's 10. Take it to the top. 1, 2, 3. 307. Good job, friends. Let's keep going. 2 plus 3 is 5. Right? Did you get that? Good. 9 plus 7. Woo. So count from 9 and add 7. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Take it to the top. 3, 4, 5. 565. All right, we're not going to stop yet. Let's keep going. 7 plus 5, 12. Take it to the top. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5, and 5 plus 1 more is 6. 652. We're almost there, friends. 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 3 more. Ooh, I'm having a brain fart. 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh. 11's too big to be in that room. Take it to the top. 7, 8, 9. 917. That's a big number. That's almost 1,000. All right. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 2, 11. Take it to the top. 5 plus 1, 6. All right. I hope I'm not going too fast. Remember, you can always pause it if I'm going way too fast for you, okay? All right. Let's keep going. 8 plus 1 more, 9. 5 plus 2. Let me see, Mickey. You know what 5 plus 2 is? Of course you do. 7. And 4 plus 1? Mick? 5. All right, say the answer together, friends. 579. Remember, we're trying to take away the and I know that sometimes I still say it because it's such a bad habit, but we're not saying 579. We're saying 579, okay? Start getting in the habit of eliminating the word and in your hundreds or your thousands. Okay, next. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 2 more is a 10. Good job. Take it to the top. 3 plus 1 more is 4. Plus 2, 6. 609. Next, 7 and 1 is 8. Ooh, another double. 7 plus 7 is, Alexander? 14. Take it to the top, bro. 2, 3, 4. Nice. One more. Timmy, can you help me? What's 8 plus 4? Right off the top, quick. Yes, 12. Take it to the top, bro. 1, 2, 3. That was easy. And 4 plus 2 more? 6. 632. All right, friends, I'm going to tell you something. They mixed it up here. Only, 2 of them didn't need you to regroup at all, but they had you regrouping in the ones, and they had you regrouping in the tens. So look at how amazing you are. You were able to do both, and they mixed it up. All right, I want you to go ahead and look at the times here. Remember, the little hand is going to tell you the hour. The big hand is going to tell you the minutes. Whenever you're looking at the minutes, you need to count by fives, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And then for 60, we say o'clock, right? Okay. Here, we don't ever say 560. We just say give it the next hour, right? Okay, here we go. The hour hand is on the, well, it's not exactly on the, I put it right on the 3, but it's really not. What was I thinking? So if ever it's between two numbers, it's always the number before, which in this case, that's 2. So 2, then write your colon. And what's the minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So the answer is 250. Let's go to the next one. It is between two numbers again, and it's always the number before. So it's 11. And can you count by fives all the way to 5? Start at the 1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So what's my answer? What time is it? 11:25. Good job. All right, let's do the next one. Ooh. What time is it here, friends? Well, here's a little tricky because it looks like it's closer to the 12, but it's not 12 just yet. When that minute hand goes on the 12, then it's going to be 12 o'clock. So it's 5 till 12, which means it's still 11. And what's the minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 11:55. Good job. And the last one. The hour is, looks like it's right on the 4. Okay, so 4. And what's our minutes? 5, 10, 15, 4:15. You guys blow me away, friends. You guys learn new things and you do it so well. You handle it so well. I am so impressed with you. I am so amazed by you. And I'm so, so proud of you. Keep doing hard things, friends, because you can do hard things. All right. I will see you guys later. And if I don't, I will see you tomorrow. But either way, have a beautiful day, friends. Bye.